Mi meri masta panen it lo mane mosem. Mani gat samla wok lo mekim na toki mi lo helpi mi mas helpi man lo mekim wok osem. Em tok lo ngam lo enapi mem. O mi mas wasi something lo man emosem. Eman lo mi mas helpi mem lo. Wasi something lo ngam. O when em tok mi gat okay mi mas helpi mi lo seri wante man. Mi tu plante mas stop good na stop one pla body osem Christ and stop one pla body.
Liman, limas diyan yung gusto pasin, lo sinawa ng Mary Blomi, son la gusto pasin long tok long goto and Mary tu yung mga like tu by sim like sa pautan. So la mi bas din gusto pasin longan long ano kan pasin longan na kanin Mary longan na kambek na luksa lang pasin long goto.
Suppose Mary am kind of Mary go market nang iman mi kam start lo study. Na Mary no kamu ko house pass na study finish na mi ko house. Na no at kay lo house. Na no at wara tu okay. Mi mas help Mary emusen. No at kay so mi masigo na ikolong kaden. Kolong kaden painim kay ikam no at wara okay mi mas goro wara kari wara ikam. Puti finish na mi mas cook. Cook na kikewan de mol piknini na bipolo Mary ko kamat. Em disla as em se milu silat tu mi lo help Mary. Na help Mary tu lo em have you when na wok Mary ba making so mi sotim sampla wok lo help Mary na Mary mas kan so na sit down na kike. Disla one ben mas tap on the meeting.
Suppose you want them Mary na picnic to long garden. You want them Mary picnic to long garden na. You go making work for garden finish nampa la kam. So Mary kayu kai long garden na picnic tu muslim ka singoda na ibo. So mi mas help Mary lo kai picnic na. Mary kayu kai. Kai na sa milusin like dunia to help Mary lo making some work blau.
Ami di pla Mary si down na miluki mo sa Mary make him sambla tok ko abris na tok backside lo olma no make him all display kain to kami ga to wok lo bami mas help him lo display kain gim tok long got long la help him la no kan bagra pin nara plaman no tok backside to display kain mi mas help him tu lo tok long got la mas tanin del na kame mi la mas ta one pla body ta so
mi play bunguan tre Mary mi play marito mi play man isa dolo se mi play gastron na Mary e mi no gastron. Olo se mi play by look long helping Mary long one something Mary is so strong and na Mary is making something way karangi okay mi play by steer more long rot by olo se na Mary must come behind mi play. Na suppose Mary making something wrong mi play no can fighting Mary. Mi play must fighting on top na talking more long passing way Mary must behind him.
Ta solisano this time tu itu pula masih kata tok blo when I'm helping one plan alpha lo tok long go staff now display can help him display family by can come up in good plus staff sit down inside lo display family living belong
Me na Mary stop inside the house. Help him lo. Tamas sawa lo tok long got lo mit pro tamas stop inside lo display tok. So inside the display sa miyo ko help them talk long got so still kisim scroll talk lo mit plawante mas behind me. So inside the display rally mem can kisim one pla or two pla heavy inside the display. Na bien mi can talk him straight lo like long got them kind of sem lo mas mit plawante behind him na abrisim display kind heavy. So stapan nit lo talk long got. So suppose mi no rally mem tu lo kisim one pla heavy still bano na panik lo when I'm talk me make him so mi rally mem kisim one pla heavy on display behind me help him inside can lo talk long got by can look somewhere on display heavy or some kisim long na can ting him live long lo mit pla ante mas behind him straight talk long got
one time suppose the time do lo tu Sunday kain time musem by come up was me want to Mary me to plus hour okay Mi mas tok ante Mary, na mi tupla ante mas holim han, na walk ready lo. Come up the time lo study osem. Em no ken nigo ting lo em ba kolo garden na bien ba kam o em ka walk na em ba start. Em mas time to study, mi tupla ante mas kam start lo em tu mas kisim po, mi tu mi mas kisim po. Time to Sunday tu osem.
Ay, me too married. We must try to help him Mary blooming. Mi serim to one time em la house na suppose mi serim to one time em too na same time mi too must show him some good la passing no help him em some. Mi too plug and stop on it no tries no. Yan him all kita good la passing no tries it em like him. Mi no kan serim to tasol na passing lomi in one time. Disla em pa na help him em. Mi serim to all good la talk long em mi must help him em too lol. Walk where Mary em. He got name long him because we can make him stall walk too. The helping him too.
Naraplato sel suppose Mary Blomi mino help mem time mino think good lo sampla walk lo walk garden or dislakan mino help mem think good na help mem. Na suppose mino kam lo course or Sunday lo tu minggu peken min so good la piksa long still ba ting karangi lo min na sembele lo min so mi must help him before lo walking mogata walk time mitla serim ting mi must come back and lo course or talk about lo tu lo Sunday.
By me making one and support. Inside the family, money trying to teach him no good la thinking lo, helping this family come up in good la, sit down, that's all. Mary, how him talk, or man too, how him talk, suppose Mary like trying lo, helping them. So man, how him talk lo. This by, he can come up in good la. By me making one them inside of this road lo, this two one time can have a mask lo, come up in this family lo, good la, sit down. And plenty this kind of different stuff now. Mary sa pai to ante man or man sa pai to ante Mary na bagarat this kind passing law helping one plan alpha inside law house or marriage.
Ani ting mi pla discuss na mi pla talk. This lo kita close fight. Past time emas fight inside lo mi pla past time. Mi one this lo close fight mi emas fight inside lo mi past time lo senisim ting lo mi pasin lo mi past time now. So mi mas ready lo this close fight past time then mi can fight one time or spirit nung good suppose you see man or you see place or pasin lo man this for close fight and we can ready long fight and then this or something. Suppose me no got all this close fight it or me got two pla or me got one pla tasol this line me no not yet. Spirit nungut can down in me long suppose me got two pla tasol or me got one pla. Or sem na this program close fight sem talk through straight pla pasin. Walk about lo outing good news. Walk about on them talk or sembainat the Holy Spirit. All gidayat me must ready past them.
Number one, something we must send him thinking blooming inside lo talk yet. Thinking blooming must create inside lo talk bloom God yet. And now I must passing blooming and show him out now. Inside lo Christ yet.
All kita this was something he must pass one time talk from God na Holy Spirit he must strong on mi plan and mi must feel him too. Film tu nang dia plan saya tadi kami pas masa long nem na plaman by tim talk from God inside on talk from spirit nang by kanta so mi plan mas caring na mi plan mas check mi go out.
God must start number one lo mi plan. Lo help mi plan na give him sawe lo mi plan mas sawe good last per talk. The number two, David prayer lo God for help him or family long
Ito kitik ni Glenn. Big play can help you long. Kirapin flow. So Yumi too, Yumi can pray lo, big lo, and can help him. Alpla lo, straight him back all. Or straight him alpla lo can sanak strong lo, make him walk lo big pra. Yumi no can stop nothing. Yumi must pray lo big lo help him alpla. So allow him big name lo big pra can get up strong. Inside the light we me one.
Let him like lo God can come up lo me plan. When him something when him like lo make him lo me plan. Let him like lo can come up lo me plan.
Picture him David saw him. David let him or something block him house blow put him contract box blow big la. He go inside long. Lord sila as no like lo come up with big name long. Them like him no. They must come up with walk him sila lo come up with big name long God na kingdom long. Heaven he must come down. When there's something by me behind him lo give him big name go back long God. You must lose him life, you may make him walk on top of this blood ground. Lord, you make him sawe finish or talk through, na you sawe or lot through. Also, na you must make him walk out in good news or walk missing block. Strong him on man meli na kiss him back all you no can lose. And this life man walk through you may make him na you may down him you may to underneath on man meli na you may stop number one. Lo I belum gotet. Na you may down him you may lo I belum man Mary na make him walk lo make him more come up disciple.
David is showing you lo passing them I'm like straight him this house temple so I bring him over or something come close to past time best Solomon can stop inside now you can make him. Also I'm like showing me too also. Over the walk and by you may hard work you may like make him. That's why you know the light not thinking you must down him go down or thinking him go down and lot of water can steer you may one time. Over the walk you may like make him long.
So number one thinking was Paul have come up in Timothy. Yeah, you mean too. You mean like this walk the holy strong talk from God. Now you mean the holy strong talk from God. You mean no easy walk. You must give time to you mean long reading Bible. Yes, you mean by somewhere true long God. Now you mean by holy man strong long Bible. You may reading Bible, you may kiss him sawel or talk from God, or kind time yourself, you may come low too. You must make him low and you must kiss him this talk from God, put him inside the thinking by me, not bell by me, now hold him strong. Long one hand, you may read him finish. This like talk that's all. This like talk from God. Time you may hold him strong inside the bell, not thinking by me. Okay, Holy Spirit by God, no using this like talk. Time you mean no talk from God inside the bell, not thinking do you mean? Okay, Holy Spirit, but no come nothing you see. Holy Spirit ends our come, time talk from God start the bell, not thinking do you mean. So number one walk or point inside the display talk from Paul and Timothy was a man must only strong talk from God. Now you meet too. You must line in the display. You meet too, you got walk from only strong talk from God. You may walk about the road, you may start the house one end. You must thinking you talk from God now only pass one time. So time you may holding talk from God inside the bell, not thinking do you mean now. And now Holy Spirit by come no by using this talk. So time maybe Holy Spirit come and using this talk now. You may like making passing in your straight as Holy Spirit by using talk from God no. Steer you may lose and you may not come making as well. Also, now you may read him also. This talk from God as well as straight in thinking do you mean. Number one, I was straight in thinking do you mean one. In you mean usait man na Mary and holding strong this talk. And this talk by straight in thinking do minimum sen. One of passing I like making the Holy Spirit by come na using this talk from God na steering man no can make him wrong.